Hi students, in this video discuss about on data types in SQL. Introduction. Data type of column defines what value the column can hold: integer, character and money, date and time, binary and so on. Each column is database table. It's required to have name and data type. The SQL developers must decide what data type the data that will be stored inside each column when creating the table. The data type is the guideline for SQL. Understand the what data of data and expected inside each column, and it's also define the SQL will interact the stored on the data. Main categories of SQL data type. First one is string data type. It used to store text and characters. The first data type is char of n. So it is used to fixed length of string that contain the numbers, letters and special characters. Its size can be 0 to 255 characters. Default is 1. Then VARCHAR, VARCHAR2 and VARCHAR is it is used to variable length string can be contain numbers, letters and special characters. The size can be 0 to 655 and 535 characters. Number data type. It used store numeric values. Number p comma q. It means store fixed or floating point numbers. P equal to total number of digit and q equal to digit after the decimal. Next one, number of p. It is stored with the integers with up to 9p digit. Next data type is date and time data type. Date means store full date of date and time. Century, year, month, day, hour, minute, second. The format is YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. The timestamp, another data type is timestamp. Like the date, but more precious data type include fractional of seconds. Next, example of creating table using data type. Create table champion open braces, the name the varchar 12 and nation varchar of 2 12 and year number comma 4 close bracket then semicolon. This for example in create table. Thank you.